The first question, right? Write it with me and at the same time, please provide the answers, right? Find the factors. Find the factors of 4xy minus 2x. Right? Second question. Second question. Remove brackets and simplify. Remove brackets and simplify. 2 times x minus 3 minus 2 times x plus 1. Right? Third question. Seventy-five, 70, 80, 75, 80, 65, 80. Under this question number 1, right? You have to find question number 1 mode, right? Question number 2 median, right? Under that question number 3 find the mean, right? For these numbers you have to find mode, median and mean, right, of these number set. Find the value. Write 7/20 as a decimal, right? Write this fast and provide the answer same time, right? 6. breadth equals 3 centimeters. Height equals 4 centimeters. Find the volume of the cuboid. Find the volume of the cube. So they write these questions and at the same time provide the answers, right? At the same time provide the answers. If you do not know any particular answer, skip and go for the next question, right? And go for the next question. In the exam also you have to do the same thing, right? In the exam also you have to follow the same thing, do the same thing, right? I will give you another 2 minutes to complete, then I will begin discuss. Right, Nia. Methuli has done, right? Super. She has sent me D for done. Right. Okay, buddy. Most of you have done, eh? Okay, super. Okay, right. Eyes on the board. I'm going to discuss. Find the factors. Can you remember the thing that I gave you early in the morning? උදේ පාන්දරම කිව්වා. When you're finding the factors, you have to do this, blah, blah, blah. Keep that in your mind. Right? So 4xy minus 2x. So you can write this 4. You can write this 4 as 2 times 2 as well. Minus 2 times x. Next, this 4 can be written down as like this. Next. So you have to highlight what are the common terms and take them out. Right? I will use my different pen. So for this term and this term, you are going to highlight what are the common terms. So here you have 2. Okay. And here you have also 2. Any other 2's? No. For this 2, any other common term? No. Right? Here x common term. Here you have common term x. Okay, super. Y? Are there any y terms here? No y terms. So only 2x are common. Right? So take them out. If you remove this 2 and x, what are the rest terms? 2y minus, if you take whole term out, 0, right? 0? No, 0 only, right? If you take this whole term out as a common term, that means 2x divided by 2x. Why we are dividing by 2x? Because we are taking this 2x out as the common term. So you are going to divide this side by 2x, this side by 2x divided by 2x, 1. So the term is 1. So this should be your answer. Make my answer. Remove brackets and simplify. Right? Equal mark. First of all, I am going to simplify the signs. This is positive 2. No one needs to tell me. And also this is positive. Positive x. Positive into positive, positive. Right? Positive into positive, positive. 2 times x, 2x. Right? This is done. Completed. Now 2 into this. Positive into negative. Positive into negative. What is the sign? Positive into negative.
Sir, no, what is blur?
What is blurred? Right.
Yes.
Wait. Right. Thank you, Dave. Right. So the here 2 times 3. Right.
No,
Before
sir,
that,
still not
there?
bit, having a bit. Still blurred. A bit.
Still blurred.
Now okay, or again go.
Positive into negative. Positive into negative. What is the sign? Positive into negative. Negative. Right? Negative. Super. 2 times 3. 6. 2 times 3, 6. Now this is okay. Now here you have negative sign. Right? Here you have negative sign. Here you have positive sign. Right? Here you have positive sign. Negative into positive. Negative into positive. Negative. 2 times x. 2x. Right? Negative into positive. Negative into positive. Negative. 2 times 1, 2. Right? 2 times 1, 2. Right? Equal mark. What is this? Positive 2x and negative 2x. Giving you 2 apples and taking back 2 apples. Cancel out. Cancel out. Right? Negative 6, negative 2. Same signs. So you have to add 6 plus 2, 8. Sign is negative. So your answer is this. Right? So when it comes to here you have a number sequence, right? And find mode. Right? You can find mode directly. Right? So most repeated number. And before that, right, you need to make sure that this number set is in ascending order. Ascending order again, TN node. Right? Shall we check? 75 70. No, not in ascending order. So let's arrange. I am going to arrange. So least number is 65. Come on. Then you have 70. Come on. Then you have 75. Come on. Again 75. Come on. 80, 88. 3 times. 80, 80, 80. Right? So now it is in ascending order. So I don't need this one. Right? So mode, most repeated number 75, 75, 2 times. 80, 80, 80, 3 times. So the mode is 80. Most repeated number. Median. If you want to find the median, right? Median means the number at the center of the number sequence. Number at the center, right? Hari math deriyanit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 numbers, right? So that is an odd number, right? So your n number of data is 7. right? So this is odd. If you have odd number of data, how you are going to find the median, right? So median can be obtained, right? Median can be obtained by using n plus 1 divided by 2th place, right? You can find the median in this place, n plus 1 divided by 2, because this is odd. That is why we are using this one. Make a use karane, right? That is why we are using this one, because the number of data is odd. Alright, keep that in your mind, right? So median equals, right? N plus 1, 7 plus 1, 7 plus 1 divide by 2. 7 plus 1, 8, 8 divided by 2, fourth place. Now you have to find the fourth place, right? First place, second place, third place, fourth place. This is your median, 75. So the answer is median is 75, right? This is where your median is, right? 75. Mean, we are going to find the mean, right? You have to get the total addition of the number sequence and divide by the number of data, right? So you can find mean, right? Summation of data, right? Or sum of data divide by number of data. So this is the thing that you need to remember. Make a mathematical from grade 8, right? Sum of data. So you can get 65 plus 70 plus 75 plus 75 plus 80 plus 80 plus 80. Divide by how many number of data are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Divide by 7. So can anyone tell me what is the answer for this one? The summation? 65, 135, 140.
50.
Okay, what? Here?
50.
50. No, I'm asking the total summation. Numerator value?
350.
Okay, 350. Right. I think it should be 350 divided by 7. 7 times 5, 35 and 0. So the mean is 50. Mean is 50. Right? Now find the value of negative 3 to the power 3. Right? Equal mark. What is the meaning of that? Negative 3 to the power 3. Right? Negative 3 has been multiplied repeatedly 3 times. Negative 3 has been multiplied repeatedly 3 times. So you can expand this. Negative 3 multiplied by negative 3 multiplied by negative 3. First of all, you can simplify the signs. Right? Negative into negative. Positive. Keep that in your mind. Negative into negative. Positive. Keep that in your mind. Positive into negative. Positive into negative. Negative. So your answer should be negative. Right? Your answer should be negative. Right? Then 3 times 3 on the other way. 3 times 3. 9. Keep that in your mind. 9 times 3. Right? 9 times 3. 27. Negative 27 should be your answer. Right? Write 7 upon 20 as a decimal. So how we are going to do this decimal thing? Patta easy. Right? If you can remember the decimal lesson that you learn in grade 8. third term, right? 7 divided by 20. So easily you can convert this 20 into which number?
100.
Yes, you
100.
can convert this 20 to 100. How we are going to convert into 100?
By multiplying 5.
By
Multiplying by
5, both numerator and denominator. 5 times 7 times 5, 35. 20 times 5, 100. You know how to divide any given number by 100. You know how to divide any given number by 1000, right? You know how to divide any given number by 10 as well, right? Neither, right? So how we are going to do that? 35 divided by 100. So here you have 35, right? At the beginning you have decimal place, at the end of 35, right? So you are going to divide. So you have to jump your decimal point to the left hand side. How many times you are going to jump? How many zeros are there for 100? 2 zeros. So you have to jump this decimal point to the left 2 times. 1, 2. So that your decimal point comes here. In front of that decimal point you have to put 0. So decimal number will be 0.35. Right? Sixth one. Length equals 2 cm, breadth equals 3 cm, height equals 4 cm. Find the volume of the cuboid. Pattalesi volume equals length into breadth into height. Right? So length is 2 centimeters multiplied by breadth 3 centimeters. Height multiplied by 4 centimeters. Right? Equals 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 4, 24. What is the unit? Cubic centimeter. Right? Centimeter into centimeter, centimeter to the power 2, centimeter to the power 2 into centimeter, centimeter to the power 3, cubic centimeter. Right? Okay.
excuse me, sir.
Over there. Yes, yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
අර මේ තුන්වෙනි ගානේ mean එකේ summation එක 525 නෙවෙයිද?
Let's see. What I know. Let's add up at level 65 plus 70 plus 75 2 plus 80 into 3. Yes, if 525 dama. Yes, 525. The end. This is 525. Correct? 525 divided by 7. Right? The value will be, wait.
75.
Yes. 75. Super. Thank you, Dayan. Right? The value will be 75. Correct? Thank you, Vyanga and the sign up for giving me the answer. Correct? Right? Okay, so this should be the answer for the mean, nah? Right? 525 divided by 7. 75. Right? Okay, this is the end of the speed revision 6. So ඔයාලට මහන්සි හිතේදී දැන් හොඳට කන්න. Right? So good night. Stay safe. Let's meet in next week. Right? I will send the homeworks to the group. Correct? Okay, goodbye. Good night. Stay safe.
Good night.